In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Otter.ai. If you're switching accounts, troubleshooting, or using a shared computer, logging out is a quick way to make sure your information stays secure. I'll walk you through it step by step, explain what to look for on the page, and share a few simple tips to keep things smooth. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Otter website. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your home or dashboard area. Give the page a moment to fully load so all the navigation elements appear. Make sure you're on the correct account before proceeding, especially if you manage more than one. A quick glance at your workspace or recent conversations can help confirm that. Now look toward the top left of the screen for your profile icon. This typically appears as your avatar or the first letter of your name inside a small circle. On some screens or after resizing your browser window, it may be nested inside a compact header area. If you don't see it immediately, scroll to the top of the page or slightly widen your browser until that top left section is visible. On smaller laptops and tablets, the icon may appear next to the main menu. It should still be near the top edge. Click the profile icon to open a small menu. In that menu, find and select the logout option. When you click it, Otter will end your current session in that browser. If a confirmation prompt appears, go ahead and confirm. After a moment, you'll be signed out, and any open Otter tabs in the same browser may redirect or ask you to sign in again. This does not delete any of your notes or settings, it simply disconnects your active session on this device. Once you're signed out, you'll land on the sign-in page. From here, you can immediately sign back in using your preferred method if you need to switch accounts or continue working. If you're on a shared or public computer, it's a good idea to close the browser tab when you're done and avoid letting the browser save your credentials. If you use Otter on multiple devices, remember that logging out here affects only this browser. Your mobile app or another browser stays signed in until you repeat the process there. That's all it takes. You've successfully logged out of Otter.ai and kept your account secure in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching and take care.